be working on this 91 Mazda Miata. We're going to be taking off some more of the paint slash Bondo that's on it. We're going to grind some welds on the other side and probably re-tack them back up, because once you weld, you have to grind them back down to make it flat again, and then you might get a chance to weld in the engine bay. So stay tuned. So first, we're going to be grinding away all this paint on this quarter panel right here. As you can tell, I already started, but then I got sidetracked by this massive hole that I patched up with not the best patches, but at least be better than what it was, as you saw in the last video. So let's get to this, taking away all this paint and grime and Bondo.
When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired, I see
Saw from the last clip, got most of the paint off of it. Yeah, there's a little bit, but not much. Good enough for us to prime on and just leave it that way. More Bondo down there, which doesn't surprise me now. So I'm just going to cover it up like they did and make it look good, because I'm not pulling out all that. Now we're going to be working on the other fender, or quarter panel I should say. We're going to be taking down all these grinds and probably taking away all this Bondo that they put on this door trim to try to cover it up more. Now it's pretty deep, so taking away more Bondo, trying to make it, you know, decent, and see what's underneath here. So yeah, let's get back to work. Well, I was going to show you guys me grinding all these welds down. They're all grinded down. They look pretty good. They're not going to cut the tire unless I really hit it hard. The camera decided not to record. Grinded up my Korean coin for the antenna cover. Grind that out, make it look halfway decent. So yeah, hopefully I can put you guys on time lapse right out now for taking all this Bondo off on the door jamb.
Flames and fire, I know you are done with me. It's just fired. It's just fired. Wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom. Don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you be dim. With my music together again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down.
As you just saw from my last clip, I removed all the Bondo from right here. There's quite a bit, so hopefully we can actually get this straightened up. If not, probably throw some Bondo to get it looking right. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty bad, but we'll get it looking right. That was due to me right there. I did some shitty welds when I got in an accident. So this wasn't me right here. I did some damage right here and Bondoed it back up, but I didn't realize it was that much damage when I first bought the car, which is no big deal. So gonna leave that as it is right now. Now we're gonna move up to the front end and we're gonna get this straightened out. As you can tell from the other side, that this side right here has been crushed or whatnot, so I'm going to straighten it back out the best of my ability, which shouldn't be that hard. Going to get the slide hammer and, you know, pull it up and get it straight again. So as you can tell from right here, it's pretty pushed in, so it shouldn't be that hard, but let's get to it.
And I know shots fired.
I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you.
Shots fired. Fire. I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired.
You saw from the last clip, I kind of just gave up on it, kind of got it fixed up. So here it is. It's kind of bent out of shape, but I'm going to put a piece of metal to hide it anyways all the way through, but it'll at least hold the fender a little bit better. It's another day anyway, but today we're going to be showing you how to cut and properly weld the fender back together on a Miata when you're going to do wide body. So right now, as you can tell, we measured the other fender where we cut it out, and we just traced it so it'll match up, and they're not going to be different diameters, and we just use cardboard to do that. So now we're going to cut this wheel, the outside diameter and the inside, and then it's going to be, well, putting it back together and welding it. So as you can tell, we have everything all clamped up. So as you can tell, if you look right there, there is like a under metal for the fender liner, and so we're just going to weld everything up, just crimp it. As you can tell, it's squeezed together with all these clamps. So
starts out ugly, gets prettier.
yeah, the welds ain't going to be the prettiest. Again, we're welding in the garage, and it's wire feed, so it's not the best, but it'll do for something like this.
No, the welds will be good.
They'll penetrate, but not pretty.
I always penetrate.
But this is the way it is, and I'll probably give you some shots of it actually getting welded together. So it's a little bit later in the day, and we just got this all finished, all welded up and sanded, or not sanded, but grinded down, so I can run a bigger tire. The lip, we tested out, it's going to stick out probably about 4 inches or so, so that's going to be good. As you can tell, we also have the windshield that has been removed, because it had a crack over there, right over there, as you can see in past videos. So, which is pretty awesome. All we did was use this tool right here and just slid it across underneath all this rubber or glue or adhesive, whatever you want to call it. And so now I am going to remove all these, like these pillar covers, all the trim right here. Gonna remove those, so I can actually grind down all this like rubber stuff, adhesive, so I can remove it, and it can be actually, so I can grind it all down, remove it all, and so I can paint right here. As you can tell, I realized this when I bought the car, there was a little bit of rust, but nothing major, so I can sand that down, actually paint over it, and make it look good. And might actually remove all the interior, as in the seats and stuff like that, so it's easier to work in the vehicle without having all that stuff. As you can tell, I removed all the trim off the pillars, and which is pretty easy. All you have to remove is the rear view mirror and just get like a screwdriver in there and pop it out. I mean, after you remove these 2 screws for the trim. Next, we're going to be removing all this extra glass that's right there. I'm going to be wearing gloves because I already cut myself once or twice on it. And there's a couple pieces over here, just remove it. So as you can tell, I got this all wiped down. Got all the big chunks that was right there and way over there. So now I'm going to tape this up so I can put a grinder, a wire wheel to it, and tear all that adhesive off. But the tape is going to be for this just in case it jumps and it wants to skip. I'll at least have a little bit of protection and not so deep gashes, because this is a decent dash right here. It does have like 1 or 2 cracks, but I'm not complaining. So I'm gonna tape this up, put you guys on time lapse, and watch me grind all this stuff away. As you just saw from this last clip, we got this all cleaned up. Yeah, there's rubber shavings everywhere, but it's all clean. We got all that rust off that was right there that was building up. Now it's all shaved and gone away. My camera died halfway through that clip, the one prior. That was just for showing you what I was doing. So I'm going to hurry up and end this. This is probably going to be the end of the night because, well, it's getting late. I'm going to make a lot more noise if I keep on going. I was going to weld some of the engine bay back together, but we'll end that for tomorrow. We'll probably be working also on the passenger door frame. So I'll catch you guys next time. Stay tuned for more content. Comment, like, subscribe, and have a good day. See ya. Bye.
It's just fine.